Welcome back to Luxury on Wheels. Today, we're diving into one of the most exciting luxury cars of 2026, the all-new BMW 8 Series Gran Coupe. This is the final year for the current generation of the iconic 8 Series lineup, and BMW has pulled out all the stops to make it unforgettable. The 8 Series Gran Coupe isn't just another sedan. It's a masterpiece of engineering and design. With 4 doors wrapped in a stunning coupe-inspired body, this car strikes the perfect balance between style, performance, and practicality. For 2026, the 8 Series Gran Coupe comes in 3 distinct flavors: the 840i, 840i xDrive, and the beastly M850i xDrive. Let's break them down. The 840i models are powered by a smooth 3.0-liter BMW twin-power turbo-inline-6 engine, delivering 335 horsepower and 368 pound-feet of torque. If you opt for the rear-wheel drive version, you'll hit 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 4.9 seconds. Not bad for a grand tourer, but if grip is what you need, go for the 840i xDrive, which adds all-wheel drive and shaves that time down to 4.6 seconds. Perfect for those snowy mornings or twisty mountain roads. Now, let's talk about the crown jewel, the M850i xDrive. Under the hood lies a monstrous twin-turbocharged 4.4-liter V8 engine, cranking out 523 horsepower and a staggering 553 pound-feet of torque. Need speed? This monster rockets from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3.7 seconds. With standard all-wheel drive and precision-tuned suspension, the M850i doesn't just accelerate, it devours tarmac like nothing else in its class. But performance is only half the story. Inside, the 2026 8 Series Gran Coupe redefines luxury. You're greeted by premium materials like extended Merino and Napa leather, creating an ambiance that screams sophistication. At the heart of the dashboard is BMW's latest tech, a massive 12.3-inch or optional 14.9-inch curved display running either iDrive 8 or iDrive 9. It's intuitive, responsive, and packed with cutting-edge features like augmented navigation, wireless Apple CarPlay, and Android Auto. And don't forget the head-up display, keeping vital info right where you need it, your line of sight. One of the standout advantages of the Gran Coupe over the standard 8 Series Coupe is space. With a wheelbase stretching 119.0 inches and a total length of 200.3 inches, there's plenty of room inside. Rear passengers get ample legroom, and the 15.5 cubic foot trunk ensures you can pack for any adventure. So, how much does this dream machine cost? Pricing starts at around $91,975 for the base 840i model. Not cheap, but worth every penny given the level of refinement. Step up to the M850i xDrive, and prices climb to an estimated $153,000 depending on options. Whether you choose the refined 840i or the fire-breathing M850i, you're getting a car that blends luxury, technology, and blistering performance in a way few others can match. As the curtain falls on the current generation 8 Series, the 2026 Gran Coupe leaves us with a lasting impression of what modern grand touring should be. Will you miss it when it's gone? Absolutely. But until then, enjoy every moment behind the wheel. If you love this deep dive into the 2026 BMW 8 Series Gran Coupe, give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more content like this. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next ride.